So if you have a scene in Blender with lots of objects and a messy outliner like me, you probably want to find one of those objects in your outliner. And when you have it selected, if you have lots of groups, you won't initially see it right off the bat. And you may know that if you click the period button on your numpad, it will frame selected within your viewport. But that doesn't work automatically either in your scene or your outliner. So even though I framed it by clicking period on my numpad here, it's not showing up here. And the problem is, if I want to see it in my outliner highlighted, I need to click period on my numpad or just my regular period button on my keyboard hovering over the outliner itself. So I want to see this little handle. I don't see it. I need to click period. Remember, either period will work on your numpad or on your keyboard, and it will expand the drop down of the group that it's in and highlight it. And just to prove that this is it, we can turn off the visibility, and it's off. There it is. So I can rename it now, organize things better. Sometimes you just want to find something. So here I have a little outlet. I'm going to grab the screw on the outlet, and you can see I have no idea where that is here in the outliner. So I'm going to hover over the outliner. Anywhere is okay. Hit period. There it is. There's the screw. And if I hover over the viewport here and hit period on my numpad, I will frame selected and see it in my viewport as well. So now I can see where it is in my outliner, where it is in my viewport. And all you need to know is you have to hover over the outliner itself to find what you're looking for and select period. And also, of course, make sure it's selected in your viewport. So I have this selected. Let's close these drop downs so it's not easy to see. Don't know where it is right now. If I hit period, I can find it right away. That is it. I hope this helped you guys. Please check out my playlist in Blender for more information. And I cover a lot of different topics and solve a lot of problems. So I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.